Court does call the case. People versus Misty Davis.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Lori Mackey, Assistant Public Defender, with and on behalf of Ms. Davis, who's approaching. Could you state your name for the court? Ms. Davis.
Thank you.
No, state my acceptable here or unable to see it. And accordingly, we would move to dismiss, Your Honor, count one, and we would ask to address bond briefly.
We'll dismiss count one, continue the defendant's not guilty as to count two, set pretrial in this matter for
August 17th
August 17th, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Washington. As to bond.
So, Your Honor, Ms. Davis, I believe, was released in this case on a personal bond with the Tether. She's being held in jail on a probation violation that she's going back to court for next week. I think she has only a little bit of time left on that case. I believe she's almost maxed out. Her concern is that—
In which case?
On her probation violation, so not this case. My request for this court is to remove the GPS tether requirement so that if and when she's released on her probation violation case, she won't have a barrier to her release. She doesn't have a phone and she doesn't have a phone number to provide community corrections. And my understanding is they'll need that in order to install the GPS tether. I know that's presented a problem for some of our clients in the past. So she understands the no contact, and she actually very much wants a no contact with her wife, who's the complaining witness in this case.
This is a DV second. I'm not removing the tether. Okay.
Understood,
You
Your Honor.
can ask, but I'm not. I mean, I'll let you finish your argument, but that has never been this court's practice. Tether remain.
Understood, Your Honor.
All right.
All right.
Motion for bond modification. All right. Court does call the case. People versus Gregory Huff.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon.
May it please the court, Dwayne Johnson, P41842, on behalf of Mr. Gregory Huff, who is standing to my right.
Your name, sir?
Gregory Allen Huff.
Oh, so this is Mr. Johnson, where I'll beat my staff into making me take this no contest plea. All right, go ahead. I'm just calling it like I see it. Beg pardon? Oh, you browbeat him. Okay. All right.
Well,
I didn't know. All right.
we have a case in which defendant pleading to count two domestic violence with 93-day misdemeanor under 769-4A. The people were dismissed.
Yes, and as I look at the plea form, that's the court's full understanding of the agreement. However, prior to the signatures, he does understand I would not be the sentencing judge in this case.
yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'll check that box. All right. And counsel, that's your understanding of the agreement?
Yes.
All right. May I have him sworn?
Right hand. Do you solemnly swear in the front of the testimony you're about to give the whole truth and nothing but the true self you got?
Yes.
Station.
Gregory Allen Huff.
Sir, it is this court's understanding you're going to plead no contest to the charge of domestic violence. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days jail, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you understand what a no contest plea is?
Yes.
All right. Well, two things about it I have to make sure that you understand. The first thing you need to understand about it is it means that it's not that you're no longer desirous or wanting to contest this domestic violence charge. You understand that?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Well, you don't want to. It means that you're no longer wanting to fight about the domestic violence charge in this case. Put it that way. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Second thing you need to understand is that for purposes of sentencing, the court is going to treat you the same as though you had pled guilty. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You also understand, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge. You would be sentenced before Judge Washington in the 14B District Court. Understand that?
I don't know where 14B is at.
Well, that's in Ypsilanti Township.
Oh,
Same county of Washtenaw, but it's over in Ypsi Township.
okay.
And Judge Washington is the judge there. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
That's the judge that would be sentencing this case. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Basis for the no contest plea.
Civil liability, Your Honor.
So, sir, to the charge of domestic violence, how do you plead?
No contest.
Now, you understand that by pleading no contest, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
Understand that?
Yes, sir.
I don't have a copy of one. Did you go through an advice of rights form, sir?
So, I'm sorry.
Did you sign an advice of rights form or go through one?
Is that what that?
I don't think we signed this.
If you haven't gone through that, then let me just stop the plea right here. I'll bring him back up, let you go through that with.
Well, Your Honor, we did go over the advice of rights. I told him what his rights were. I didn't know. We just had the plea form, so he signed that.
Oh, okay.
We did go. He knows what
We went over those? Okay.
we went over his rights. So you just need the signature.
Yeah, because I signed one.
Mm-hmm. Just sign right there. Mm. And you need the address and everything. Is that correct, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay. So fill out complete your address down.
Print.
See.
And today's date.
28.
7/20. Yep. Thank you, Your Honor.
You signed that advice of rights form. Do you have any questions regarding any of those rights, sir?
No, sir. We went over that earlier.
Okay. You understand that you're giving up the rights that are contained on that form, particularly the rights under paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Because those are your rights which are part of a trial. Right here. You understand you're giving up those specific rights.
Person. Is that right?
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. Listen, I gotta still be proven.
This space you can Bob the stretch you have to go through all of it. Yeah, see?
Yes.
He understands you.
You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Appeal outright.
Mhm.
All right. It means that if you don't like the fact that you have a conviction or the sentence in the case, you wouldn't have an automatic right to appeal that. You'd have to ask permission of the higher court, that being the circuit court, to appeal that. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, sir.
All right. Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plea?
No,
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
no, sir.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
All right. Court has been provided Washington County Sheriff's Office report for 26-36699. Any objection from counsel to the court reviewing that report?
No objection, Your Honor.
Based upon a review of that report, the court does find that there's a sufficient factual basis in which the court could determine the defendant's guilt of this offense. Sir, I do have to advise you that if between the time I accept your plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined under the Michigan court rules, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court?
You have.
Court will accept the defendant's no contest plea to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 14B. Probation sentencing will be August 1st.
Can I check this, make sure it's a good date?
Okay, but it's only day.
That doesn't matter. I'd have to contact the court there.
Yes, you'd have to contact
Okay, well, I'll just write it down.
August 31st, 2026, 9 a.m. That's before Judge Washington.
Okay. And, Your Honor, we did want to address one bond condition, if we can.
Okay.
Your Honor, my client's wife is in the courtroom, and she does want him to return home. So I was wondering if the condition could be no assault of contact, and allow him to return home. It is a financial hardship for them as well, and she's also dealing with some personal issues that he can assist her with, but she would like for him to come home.
Bishop, one moment, Ernest.
Right.
Thanks. Okay. Just want to say it's good seeing you too, Judge. I haven't been here in a long time.
Yes, sir.
Good to see you.
Yes, you may. Reflect we've had a brief bench conference. Record should reflect we've had a brief bench conference in this case. What I am going to do is I am going to modify the defendant's bond. I am going to add a provision of no non-consensual contact. You understand that, sir? Just so that you understand, I'm going to let you have contact with your wife, but if for whatever reason she does not want to have contact with you, we have to leave.
Yes, yes, I understand.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
And then I will delete the no contact provision and delete also the no go to provision. Did you bring your SoberLink testing device with you?
Yes, sir.
Have it with you?
Yes, sir.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to change that from a SoberLink testing device. You can go right over to Corrections today. And I am going to order you on to a SCRAM testing unit.
I can still explain to you how to
There's what?
explain to you how
You understand that, sir?
Sorry.
It's gonna be a 24/7 monitoring of your alcohol consumption. You won't have to blow into a machine, but you'll have to download once a week. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So with those conditions, bond, it's monetary form will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Okay.
Roger.
So he should go over there now to,
You should go over there now. We'll contact them.
do you know where that is?
Yes, that's right around.
Go out the building.
Okay.
Good seeing you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.